Alrighty, let's get this recap going. Up 18.26 on ATXI, down 49 cents on EQ. That's the only two stocks we traded today, leaving us with 17.77 in profits. Very nice day today. We actually got some halting momentum on ATXI. Three halts up, one halt down. Now we're in another halt up. Nice 5-minute pattern actually right now. I was thinking about taking the break of um, 820 on the 5-minute chart with like one or two shares just to be in it, but I decided against it. I want to try and make sure I stop when I say I'm going to stop, especially now that I have the access into being able to trade all day long. I don't want to overtrade. I've already taken 25 trades today. So we started the day at around 6 a.m. where we took a one share trade just to test to see if our account was actually enabled with the PDT flag on our account. It was, so then from there on we start using 10 share blocks to start building a cushion. Let's see here, can I? Yeah. So we took some 10 share trades starting the day out in the green, and from there we were up about $1 going into the first 10 minutes of trading. And then that's when we start to size in with the 30 share blocks. This was just all trading this move right here primarily, from 510 all the way to the high of pre-market, was all these pre-market trades. And then as going into market open, I was up, I believe $5, maybe 6. I'm not sure. It shows in the live stream today where I was after pre-market. But yeah, so after the market opens, let's see here. Oh, there's the resumption. Just hit high of day. Oof. Would have been a great 5-minute trade right there. 820 up to 960. Wow. Very much. It's just a great stock to trade today. You know, if it pulls back here to 550 and then bounces up to 10, that'd be a great trade. But it is risky buying up here. We just kind of almost double topped. No, no, no. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm not gonna trade it. Let's just focus on the recap. Close this down so we don't get tempted. I'm already up a decent amount, so 1777. It's a great day in my books. So we end up seeing that it starts the open, starts in the red right here. If I just, sorry, the chart's so zoomed out because of the trading action. There it goes, 990, 10, break of 10, 1015, 1020. Is it gonna halt? No, not yet. Very nice action. Okay, sorry, I keep on getting distracted. So we start the day with these two red candles. Oh my gosh, it's hard to figure out where everything is. Okay, so high day was 87 at this point in the day. It was 587 at this point in the day. And then so we get this little pullback. I take a little dip trade here. It doesn't work out. Cut it for a small loss. And then going into the open, we get this candle that pushes up green at the very beginning, breaks high of day pre-market, and then sells off. In the market we've been seeing, if it broke high of day pre-market and then sold off, we'd kind of see it either continues to sell off all day long or it will do a red to green pattern, which is exactly what happened in this case. We have the opening candle starting red, next candle going a little bit lower but not breaking VWAP. This candle actually seems to contest the high of day. I didn't see this move. I was trading. Whoops, my alarm just stopped trading. I was trading EQ at the time right here for a little bit of a loss. Took a break-even trade here at 36, out at 36, and then Small loss here from 43 to 37. Looks like it's halting down right now, actually. Look at that. Hits high of day, halt back down. Oh, false halt. God, I'm getting so distracted during this recap. So we almost break high a day, but then we come back down. This candle would normally be a sign that we're about to break VWAP, but we end up pushing an inside candle here with the top at 78. And so I take my first trade of on open market, first trade of market hours on ATXI right here for the break of 78 and the push through 90. So I get in at 79. I'm out at 88 for a $3 win on 30 shares. Back in here. So I missed the breakout of 6. I don't get filled. I missed the breakout of 6. Pushes up to 606, then comes back down to 6, pushes to 610, comes back down to 608, and then I punch the buy button at 610, get filled at 613 right here, and then out at 616. And this is the last trade you'll see on the live trading today, because at this point my broker was lagging a little bit. It wasn't the broker's fault, it was my internet, because I could see even my stream was disconnecting. So my stream was disconnecting, the broker was disconnecting. I was like, okay, I'm up 7 or 8 on the day. Let's cut it here. Let's cut the stream off here, and I'm gonna see if that helps with my internet. I cut the stream off. I get back into trading here. I'm in at 33, out at 42, and then from here we start to see it pull away. So right here, this is where it broke 6. Starts to pull away to 645, and then on this next candle is the first halt up, I believe. So, getting another $10 win, or $2 win here. We're up like 12 bucks on the day right now. Then we get this nice move from 54 all the way up to 75, looks like. During this move, we get a bunch of dip trades there. Let's see, what time is that set? 640, 642. Let me see that on the trader view. $2.40 win, $1 win, 20-cent loss, and $1.30 win right here. Alright, so then back in after the first halt up. So we actually missed the first halt. Right now. No. We were in. Okay, I remember what happened. We were in the halt here at 710. Right at the top of the halt. I didn't realize it was halting until after I saw that the level 2 was stacking up. So we get in at 710. It resumes at 711 and has a wick up to 716, and the candle is red at this moment. Like 2 seconds into the halt resumption, the candle is red with a topping wick. I instantly get out at 711 for a 1-cent profit because I think this is a sign that it's going to flush down. This is the kind of market we're in where it's going to flush down, it's going to be over, the move's going to be over. But this stock was defying the market. So I get out at 711. Pretty much 2 seconds later, it's at 730, 750, 770, and halting up at 782. So I missed this whole candle from 711 all the way to 82. Missed that whole candle. Didn't even bother trying to get it in because I would be chasing the move. Didn't even bother. So I was like, you know what? Second halt, we can still trade it after it halts. After it resumes. So I get in smaller size here. I believe this was it says 15 shares, but I believe it was a 10 share order and a 5 share order. So on this candle, it resumes here, it opens with a gap. This candle only lasts like 10 seconds, that's why it's so small and the volume's so small. But then the next candle forms, it breaks this high up to 850, pulls back for a moment, break of 850 up to 880, and at this point I was already up like 14 or 16 on the day. I just wanted to preserve capital at this point, so I sized down 10 shares, 5 shares, even 3 shares at one point. Just trying to preserve this green day because I don't get these every single day. You don't get a stock moving like this every single day either. So here we are in at 870 and looking to, actually no, the entry price was at 827 here on TraderView. 827 is where we got in, and we actually sold at 890 with 5 shares. We made $3. So 60-cent move on 5 shares on this candle right here, which is this candle. So we got in at the pretty much the low of this candle and sold at the high of this candle. Very nice trade there. That put us at 18 on, or 17 on the day. And then we took 2 more trades just to, one was a 60-cent winner and one was a 30-cent loss. So that puts us at 1777 on the day. And with that, that is where we end the day. And let's see what's going on with the current momentum. Also, let's get these trades off my chart. It makes it too clunky. Only doing that for you guys. Taking those trades off. There we go. Now I can see what's going on in the chart. So we got a halt up. Then we pushed high a day, broke it, came back down. This is all the way from 1046 to 890. That's a $1.50 candle on a $10 stock. 15% candle. Now we get some ABCD pattern here maybe. It's still tradable, honestly. The reason I stopped trading around here is because after the third halt, things become a little bit more unpredictable with the movement of it, and there's technically an unofficial rule of 3 with halts. 3 halts up in a row usually means it's going to be followed by an instant halt down after the third resumption. And I was thinking, yeah, this is probably going to be done after this third halt down, or after this fourth halt. And so it resumes from the third halt, flat, instant down into the halt level. And this is the kind of move that I thought was going to happen right here when it opened flat right here. When it opened flat and I was in, I was like, I got to get out because this thing's about to flush. And see, what happened is right here on the third halt, it opened flat, flushed down into a halt down. So my reasoning for getting out here was correct, but we were only in the first halt, and we had just broken high of day, high of pre-market, and some daily resistance as well. So might have not been exactly the correct play to sell instantly here, but I think from a risk management standpoint, it was totally fine to take a flat trade at 710. Just to prevent the fact that I could have lost like $4. So yeah, rule of 3 pretty much played out perfectly here on ATXI. 3 halts up, and then followed by a halt down into some consolidation. Then we actually get a halt up. This is not uncommon after a move down. It actually touches the 9 EMA and then comes a little bit below it on the 5-minute chart. And then we have a 5-minute setup at 820. Could have taken that 820 break. And then a move through up to the halt level. At this point, I wouldn't trade it. It looks like it's halted up again. Yeah, perfect ABCD pattern right here. So A, B, C, D, and then break of this. Break over 870 would lead to a move up. So looks like that worked out pretty good. So it looks like this ATXI is following a lot of the traditional stock patterns that we see everyone teach. So the ABCD, the break of high of day. So yeah, ATXI was definitely a breath of fresh air in this bear market. So, yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some um second day momentum either on ATXI or hopefully some um what's it called? Sympathy momentum. Hopefully we can get some sympathy momentum on other stocks tomorrow because of the ATXI move today. Alright, well I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully our internet will be better tomorrow so we can actually stream our trades. This is a great trading day. Alright, thank you all for watching. Peace out.